What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to have a Facebook account. Now probably you have a Facebook account, and most of you guys don't know that on Monopoly Go you can't go directly and change the profile picture. When you go to settings, as you can see here, this is my own profile picture. Okay, I didn't even change it or anything, it's just by default. Okay, and if you click on that profile picture, you will not be able to change it. Okay, if you click on it, there is no option to click to change it or anything like that. So the solution I have found is to connect. If you want to click on three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on your profile picture in the top, and you need to connect Facebook to your Monopoly Go game, so that they will take the picture, your Facebook profile picture will be your own Monopoly Go profile picture. Okay, automatically after you connect Facebook to Monopoly Go, they will take that profile picture from Facebook and they will add it on your Monopoly Go game. Now if you want to change it, you just need to change it from Facebook, and automatically it's going to be changed on your Monopoly Go. Of course, after you click on connect, after you click on the profile picture, click on connect, click confirm, and that's it, guys. It will ask you guys to add here your own Facebook account. You just need to add your mobile number and email address, and then click confirm, and that's it. You have successfully connected Facebook to Monopoly Go. So after you connect it, like I said, if you want to change the profile picture, you just need to change it from Facebook, and it will be changed automatically from on Monopoly Go. So I hope, guys, it makes sense. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so you just need to, like I said, to connect Facebook to change it. Okay, hopefully this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you in the next video.